Ark Invest's predicted price target for Tesla for 2025 is $3,000 a share. Damn. What is happening, people? Welcome back to another video. My name is Killian, and today we're going to be talking about Ark Invest's price prediction for Tesla by 2025, which blows Wall Street estimates out of the water. And we're going to be doing this as fast as possible. If you enjoy this style of rapid fire content, please give that like button a slap. And if you want to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing to the channel below. And just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor, so please remember to do your own due diligence research before investing in any companies. So before we delve into the nitty-gritty of the predictions, let's talk about some of the key considerations Ark made when making these predictions. Ark is not taking into account the utility energy storage or solar businesses in these models. So they're not including the power packs or any of their energy infrastructure, and they're also ignoring their push into Bitcoin. The former being something I believe will be huge for the company going forward. So getting a $3,000 price prediction while not including this is extremely bullish. Another key note is that Ark are extremely bullish on the potential Robotaxi offering from Tesla. In their price, noting that electric vehicle and Robotaxi business lines generate roughly 40 and 50% of Tesla's expected market cap respectively in 2025. And with those points in mind, let's get into the details. So in 2019, Ark predicted a value of $7,000 a share. Adjusted for the 5-to-1 stock split, this is equal to $1,400 a share. Now, based on their updated research, they predict that it could approach $3,000 a share by 2025. Along with this value, they provide a bear case of $1,500 or less, with a 25% probability of this occurring, along with a bull case of $4,000 a share or more, also with a probability of 25%. So starting with car sales, Ark predicts a bear case of 5 million vehicles sold, which is probably about 5 years ahead of the timelines estimated elsewhere on Wall Street. Their bull case indicates sales of 10 million EVs. Given that they only sold 500,000 in 2020, it's probably leaving a lot of people wondering, where did they get this figure? To get to this figure, Tesla would need a lot more capital, along with multiple new factories operating at full capacity. The answer for Ark is their potential Robotaxi offering. In their bull case, Ark is predicting a platform fee for insurance with their full self-driving Robotaxi offering. This goes hand in hand with Ark's new estimate that there is a 50% chance that Tesla will achieve fully self-driving by 2025. And this is an increase from 30% in their previous valuation model. Contributing to this increase in probability is Tesla's access to data through their vehicle fleet, giving them 30 to 40 million miles of data per day this year, which is up from 20 million last year. In the bear case, we see a predicted revenue of $23 billion for their insurance offering, even without self-driving. So the electric vehicle revenue estimates are $234 billion and $367 billion respectively. You can see that the average selling price in the bull case is actually significantly lower. This is in part due to Ark's prediction of their improved capital efficiency in production. Tesla's capex per incremental unit produced has reduced, and Ark is predicting this to continue reducing. This also feeds into Ark's prediction around Tesla's margin. Along with improved efficiency, this can be accentuated with their new insurance offering. With the increased data they have on all of their drivers, they can very accurately price their insurance offering. They also included the potential ride-hailing offering for the first time, this being human-driven for the bear case and fully autonomous for the bull case. This is that platform fee we talked about earlier in the bull case. Ark Invest predicts that ride-hailing could add an additional $20 billion to Tesla's operating profit by 2025, increasing their price target by about $500 a share. The bear case total gross margin is 43%, up from 21% in 2020, and rising to 50% in the bull case. And just to reiterate, a big element of this increased margin is down to the potentially fully autonomous Robotaxi offering and their new insurance offering. And on this, Ark said, since our last forecast, neural networks have solved many complex problems previously considered unsolvable, increasing the probability that Robotaxis are viable. In our bull case, ride-hail would account for the majority of Tesla's enterprise value in 2025. And all of these figures bring us to a market cap of $1.5 trillion in the bear case and $4 trillion in the bull case. Wow. A predicted share price in the bear case of $1,500 a share, and in the bull case, $4,000 a share. Some of the biggest factors that will lead us to one of these two cases will be fully autonomous driving, so whether they achieve that or not, production issues, both logistical and technological, and whether they can develop this completely autonomous robotaxi service. I would recommend that you take the time to read the full report, as it also gives likelihoods of specific scenarios and how this will affect the share price. I think I would fall somewhere in the green zone here, as I don't believe they will manage to entirely deliver on the fully autonomous robotaxi service. However, after this report, I am more bullish than ever on Tesla, and my conviction is only strengthened, especially when I consider the fact that this prediction doesn't take into account a sector of the business I think will be hugely successful. But I want to know what you think about this prediction, and whether you're bullish or bearish on Tesla. Are you buying more? Are you holding? Are you selling? Let me know down below in the comments. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll see you in the next one. Good luck.